Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now you're watching this video because you're looking for the best Costco promo codes and discount codes, and these will work in 2023 as well as 2024. We're almost in 2024 already. This year has gone so quick. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Costco promo codes, and these are definitely the best available codes that you're going to find. You're going to be able to get a $100 off your next order code. Also, there is a 50% off your order code, so you could potentially save even more than $100. Now, this will work worldwide, so it says dollars, but it will be in your local currency if you're not in the US. I'm in the UK, and we have Costco's over here, and this takes around 80 Great British pounds off my order. Obviously, the 50% off code can potentially save you a lot more than that. So let me record my screen and show you guys how you can get your Costco promo codes. So you grab your mobile phone. So I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter what device you have, as long as you have an internet connection, and you have to open up a internet browser. And you need to go to this website, guys. You can see it at the top, but I'll type it already for you. www.speedycoupons.com. So Speedy Coupons, your ultimate source for coupons and codes. So you need to just navigate your way to this website. Pretty easy. This website, as you can see on my screen here, has tons of different pages, ranging from obviously discount codes to pretty much anything you can think of. Go to the search bar at the top of the page and search what you're looking for. In this case, obviously, we're looking for Costco. So type in Costco and it will pop up like so. It's like a predictive search bar. It says Costco's coupons and deals. So click on that to open the page up. You can see there's thousands of coupons left, so don't panic if you find this video further down the line. Scroll down. You can also see it's been highly rated by over 2,000 people. Now it says basically there's a $100 Costco promo code, as I mentioned, but there is also a 50% off your next order code. So obviously you have to work out how much you're going to be spending and which one is going to be more beneficial for you. So let's just say you wanted to get the $100 promo code. You tap on the show coupon button. This is going to pop up here. Basically, guys, you can see we need to unlock the full Costco promo code. The reason we need to do this is obviously these are pretty desirable codes. So people basically can create programs and robots to steal all of the codes from Speedy Coupons. So this just prevents that and ensures that you are a real person and can only get one code per person. So tap unlock code, and there's a little bit of a process on the next screen, but it's pretty easy. I'll talk you through it. It takes a few minutes. So you can see this says Costco code unlocker, and essentially, guys, to unlock our code we need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below. And as you can see on my screen, I've got a bunch of different tasks. They're all completely free, as you can see on the right side here. And obviously there is a description, and it tells you what you need to do to complete a specific task. I've got UK based tasks, but if you're in the US, you're going to get US based ones, or wherever you are in the world. So this one at the top says £1,000 towards the new iPhone 15, and this is basically a free questionnaire where it says enter your email and complete the steps. Alternatively, there are also games such as this one at the bottom, Merge Gardens. It says download and install the game and reach level 5. So essentially, guys, you just need to read the instructions and select any 2 tasks and fully complete them. So I'm going to complete 2 of these. I'll pause the video whilst I do them, just so I don't make the video 10 minutes long. and then I'll come back. And just as a side note, you can see on my screen here it says confirm my email in this questionnaire. If you get one like this, you have to put in your correct information because it does verify you as a real person. So yeah, just make sure you enter in correct info. So I'll do these and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and I completed those 2 tasks I showed you a few minutes ago. Well, for you it's a few seconds, but for me it was around 5 to 10 minutes ago. I basically just went ahead and finished off that questionnaire, and then I also did this one at the bottom where I had to basically download a free game and I had to just play it until I got to player level 5. That took me around 5 to 10 minutes. But yeah, you can choose any 2 tasks. The questionnaires tend to be pretty quick and easy, so I would probably recommend them. But yeah, the games are fun as well. So anyway, once you've completed 2 of them, if you hit your tabs button, you should now see this Costco coupons tab down here. If you don't see this tab, you may have done something wrong or not fully completed 2 tasks. So just make sure you do fully complete 2. Open up this tab, and now I've got my Costco promo code. So this is a simple code that I can redeem in the basket or checkout, and it's going to remove $100, or for me around 80 Great British pounds off my next order. So these codes, guys, for Costco are one-time use. So you're going to need to go to speedycoupons.com and get your code, and when you get your code, make sure you keep it safe, because if someone else uses it, you're going to need to come back and get a new code. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you found that useful, because that did take me a few hours to find these working codes, but yeah, it's well worth it. So yeah, go ahead, give this video a like, let me know in the comments what did you use your code against. There's some nice MacBooks and iPhones on Costco, so I might buy one of them with the 50% off code. Not sure just yet, but yeah, lots of shopping to be had. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.